Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Video Link, and today we're just going to see how to install the VLC player on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to install the VLC player on your Xiaomi Google TV is just going to show in this video. To install the VLC player, first of all, you just need to find the Play Store. So to find the Play Store, you just need to go to the setting option first. So after going inside the setting option, just swipe down and you have this option called apps. Click on this. After clicking on the apps, you just need to find the Play Store. So you just need to click on the CR option. Just go to the bottom section. Here click on the show system apps and then just go to the swipe to the bottom section. You just need to find the option called Play Store. So it will be on the down and here the Play Store and just click on the open. Now you just need to search as VLC on your TV. Go to the search option on the top and just here you just need to type as VLC. So just going to type as VLC here. And if you guys type VL, you can find the VLC player on the bottom. And just click on the VLC player and just click on the install option. You can just open or you can just use the VLC player on your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.